Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how you can fix iPad not connecting to Wi-Fi. So iPad is very easy to fix this. First up, you need to go to your settings and then just go to general, and then you need to go to VPN and device management. Right over here, just make sure that your phone isn't or iPad isn't connected to VPN. So you just need to go right over here and then make sure that there is no VPN. If there is, just simply delete it for now. And you can even check it right over here. If it says VPN turn on, and you can just turn it off from here and check it if your Wi-Fi is connected. If it's not, just go to your settings again and scroll down a bit until you see the option of privacy and security. Just simply press on that, and then you need to go to location services, scroll down until you find the option of system services. Simply press on that, and then you'll see the option of networking and wireless. Just simply turn that option off, and then once you turn it off, just simply press volume up, volume down, and then hold your power button until it turns off. Once it turns off, turn on your iPad again and then check if it's working. If it's not, just try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon next one.